Oh, oh, check it out.
Alright guys, super excited right now. The UPS truck just pulled up. I'm never home for stuff like this, but right now it pulled up. It's a nice UPS truck, and the lovely gentleman over here is delivering the Tein Springs. How's it going, bro?
Right.
Staying out of the virus's way?
Are you filming me?
I'm filming this because I'm about to open this. I do unboxing videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
You can put it down.
Can you please?
Do you want it off? Alright guys, here it is. He was a little weirded out that I was recording him. My camera does not contain the coronavirus. For your driving pleasure, made by Tein. I don't know how you guys say it, so if you guys know how to really say this, just I guess write it in the comments, sound it out. But right here, made in Japan. That's one of the real good things about this set of coilovers. They're made in Japan. They're not cheap. A lot of good reviews, and I can't wait to put these on my Mark IV Supra. And I'm about to bring this inside and start the unboxing video. What up guys, this is George with Foreign Luxuries, and thank you for tuning in to another segment of my channel where today I'm going to be unboxing these Tein coilovers for a 93 Supra. So before I start unboxing, we're going to be talking about price point, why I chose these coilovers versus the other ones, and why I think these coilovers are going to do me justice versus the ones that are double the price versus the ones that are a couple of $100 less. So I just want to read to you some specs about these coilovers. Again, shout out to Redline 360. That's where I got the coilovers from. Quick shipping, fast shipping. I'm going to put in like a little a clip of the UPS guy delivering me the package and freaking out since I was recording him. I don't know why I was freaking out, but he's like, can you please turn it off? And it was just pretty funny. Right here we go guys. We got the Tein Flex Z coilovers. These work for the Lexus SC300 and the 400, and they work for all the Supra models from 92 and up. Obviously not the new one. Basically, for the Lexus, I'm going to skip the Lexus fitments because this is for the Toyota. But for the Toyota, basically it lowers 1.1 inch to 4.7 inches in the front, and it lowers the back 1.7 to 4.4 inches. So it all depends on how low you want to go. Specs and features: 16-way adjustable, full-length ride height adjustment, includes upper mounts, spring rate 784 pounds front and 484 pounds in the rear. Obviously includes a full set of 4. It has a 12-month warranty, and they're genuine Tein or Tein coilovers. They're made in Japan, which is really cool. They're the twin tube design, full length system for height adjustment with minimal change in ride quality, even at lowest setting. EDFC compatible, if I'm not mistaken. That's that electronic system that Tein sells that you basically hook up on top of your coilover on the shock towers, and from the inside you could adjust your damper, which is super cool, but I'm not really there yet. I don't need all that. Includes upper mounts for easy installation, includes dust boots, basically no sag springs. So here we go. I chose to get these versus the other ones because I read a lot of reviews online on people installing them on different cars. There were some mixed reviews, but a lot of them were pretty good for the money that you pay. So these are, let me tell you, $689.95 off the Redline store online. With some shipping, it comes up to like $700 or whatnot. I think it's totally worth it. I was looking at other coilovers like BC, Fortune Auto. I mean, they're great coilovers, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I personally need them for my type of build. I'm going for more of a street build where I'm going to be enjoying the car. I'm not really going to be racing people. I'm not going to be taking this car on the track. I'm not going to be pushing it to its limits. I'm just going to be enjoying the car. And I honestly think that these coilovers would do the job. I think they're more than enough for the type of ride I want and then the type of use I'm going to be putting them through. So here it goes. Brand new, out of the box, we have one of them already assembled. Look at this bad boy. it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Very clean design, sleek. All this is, I don't know the exact material, but it is like rust free. These are all adjustable. This is where you adjust your damper from, right here. Here's one shock. One shock, one shock. I call it a shock because I'm old school. Wow, how cool is this? So this comes with some decals. It actually has like a harder plastic decal that you can put on the back of your car, and some window decals. Obviously a set of instructions, which is cool. So here's one, and I honestly don't know if this is for the rear or the front, or we'll get to that. But this says Tein Flex Z. Yeah, I don't know if it's the rear or the front, but that's one of them. Here's the other. Stick this cardboard. So I'm assuming this one's for, I don't know. So this one doesn't have the bushing that this one comes with, right here. And they're about the same height. So I'm assuming obviously one's for the front, one's for the rear. We'll get into that when I do my installation video. I'm dying to install these on the car, but unfortunately right now I can't because of this stupid quarantine that the government has going on. I mean, it is a smart idea, you know, not to spread this virus, but it's really holding me back, and this build. So whatever. This right here, guys, are the adjusting tools that basically you latch onto right here. You can adjust the ride height, all that good stuff. It comes with it. Pretty neat. One thing about these shocks that they're super cool is you could send these back and they straight up rebuild it and send it back to you. All the stuff are proprietary, so they got all the stuff in the warehouse, and they'll be more than happy to basically rebuild these for you in case anything happens. That's one really good thing about these shocks, the support that you get with them. I believe their warehouse is in Downey, so if you're a LA guy or, you know, West Coast guy, basically you can drive out there and they'll probably swap it out for you over there or fix it. I don't know, I'm not there yet. Let's hope nothing happens to these, but yeah. So here's the other one. Super good quality, like you could really feel it. These springs are awesome. They all are labeled with part numbers. I love how they come with these, the top studs, whatever you want to call them. You don't have to take out anything from your old shocks. The only thing you got to do with your old shocks is throw them away because you don't need any part from them. The other ones, some of the other ones, you got to rebuild. You got to take apart, you know, this part and then use your own tube or shock tower or whatever. But this comes all in one. So you don't need Jack Nicholson. You just need some time and a hoist. You don't even need a hoist. I've seen people changing their coilovers like by jacking one tire up, changing it out, and going to the next. But quite frankly, I think that's a little dated, and I would rather wait to lift my car up, take out all 4 tires, basically put these on, and install my rear sway bar with the end links. So I'm super excited. Let's get rid of this fucking box. Sorry for cussing. Here they are. Pretty simple. I feel like the installation is even more simple. So basically, that's it, guys. If you have any questions regarding these coilovers, I'd love to help you out. I'd love to answer them for you. What is this? This little tool? Soft and hard. No way. So basically this is the tool that comes with it to allow you to adjust your dampening. So obviously you would remove this safety thing right here, take out this plastic, and here you go, guys. Look, the little Allen key fits in right here, and it also has a guide that says if you go left it's hard, if you turn it right it's soft, and that's pretty cool that it comes with that. It's just a regular Allen key, but it has their little cap, Tein or Tein cap on it, which is cool. The Flex Z's. So I haven't seen an unboxing of these for a Toyota Supra, and that's why I went ahead and did one. Can't wait till they're on it. I can't wait till they're mounted and I drop the car in and see what it looks like. So stay tuned for that episode. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Foreign Luxuries. My name is George. Thank you. Stay safe from this coronavirus. Stay inside, guys. I know it's hard staying inside. We want to go out. We want to meet new people. We want to go and have some coffee at Starbucks, or go to a nice restaurant, or get your favorite burger or sandwich. But right now is the time to actually stay inside. That's the best thing we could do, because we don't want to pass the virus on to anyone else. Or God forbid we have it and we might not have the symptoms, because we are among the younger crowd that, you know, the symptoms don't affect them as much, or the virus doesn't affect them as much, and we might not know, and you might give it to your grandma or someone elderly, and God forbid something happens to them. So stay inside, guys. Hard times right now for the whole world, not just the United States, the whole world. So do your best, do your part in slowing down this virus, and tune in next time, where I'd be lifting up my car and installing basically all 4 coilovers, the rear sway bar with the end links, and after that we'll get more into maybe some more suspension parts, and I'm gonna start looking for an engine. I need to start looking for a 2J. I want the VVTi with the variable valve timing, because I read those are a little better, and I'll get into detail why those are better later. Again, thanks for watching my channel. My name's George. Hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Oops.